Your skin loses 1% of its collagen every year after teenage. But what if I told you there's a way to reverse that? I tested a powerful multi-collagen supplement for 60 days. And the results? Shocking! Stick around, because this might be the missing piece in your skincare routine. If you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my skin look so tired? You're not alone. I struggled with dryness, fine lines, and that blah texture for years. Moisturizers helped, but never fixed the root problem. Then I discovered multi-collagen supplements, a blend of 5 key collagen types that target skin from the inside out. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what happened when I tried it, the science behind it, and whether it's worth your money. Let's talk about why your skin isn't bouncing back like it used to. Collagen is the glue that holds your skin together, but after 25, your body produces less and less of it. Sun damage, stress, and sugar speed up the breakdown. For me, my skin felt like paper, thin, crepey, and no amount of serums gave me that plump look. I tried everything: hyaluronic acid, retinoids, even facial oils. But here's the truth. Topical products can't rebuild collagen. They sit on the surface. To really fix your skin, you need to feed it from within. Not all collagen is created equal. Type 1 and Type 3, they're the MVP for skin elasticity and hydration. Type 2 supports joints. Bonus for no more creaky knees. The multi-collagen I used packs all 5 types, sourced from grass-fed cows, wild-caught fish, and eggshell membrane. No weird fillers, just pure collagen peptides that absorb fast. I took 1 scoop daily in my coffee, 0 taste, 0 texture. And after 30 days, my skin started waking up. The biggest moment, when my makeup artist asked, "Did you get facials?" My foundation glided on without clinging to dry patches. My skin wasn't just moisturized, it was stronger. Even my nails stopped peeling. The science checks out. Studies show collagen peptides can boost skin hydration by 28% in 8 weeks. But the real proof? My DMs flooded with "What are you using?" after I posted a no-makeup selfie. Now, let's keep it real. Pros first. Visible results in 4 to 6 weeks. Faster than most skincare. No bloating, unlike cheap collagen brands. Easy to use, just mix it in any drink. Cons. Pricey, but 1 jar lasts 2 months. Not vegan, fish wash cow sources. If you're on a budget, this might not be your first pick. But if you've wasted money on creams that didn't work, this is game-changing. By day 60, I felt like I'd rewound time. My skin bounced back when I pressed it. That juicy feeling. My husband even said, "Your skin looks happy?" And the best part? No more 10-step routines. Just collagen plus sunscreen. That's it. Multi-collagen isn't a magic pill, but it's the closest thing to undoing damage from the inside. If you're tired of slapping on products that don't deliver, try this. Check the link in my description for the exact one I use. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for my next experiment. Can probiotics clear acne? See you there.